Years ago, Karen and I had a radio show back in Indiana on the local Christian radio station. It aired Saturday mornings, and this was a pre-recorded show, wasn't a live show, but we had a home studio, and we partnered up with our friend John Barrett, who is an associate pastor and also a certified John Maxwell leadership coach. And we had a great show. We called it On the Journey, and then later on called it the Great Life Game Plan. Well, what happened was, in the course of conversation one day, we said that the secret to a great life was to figure out how to have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year, and just repeat that over and over and over again. It just happened in casual conversation, and John thought it was profound enough that he used it from the pulpit one Sunday. And so we changed the name of the show to the Great Life Game Plan, where we said that the secret to a great life was to figure out how to have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. You know, sometimes life gets us into a situation where we just have to try to have a great minute, a great few minutes, a great hour, etc. We all have 1,440 minutes in the day. We used to also say that the average person had 1,440 minutes in the day. Well, that's true whether you are panhandling in the city or you are solving world problems as a world leader. There's another saying that I like a lot, and I got this one from Tom Ziglar, son of Zig Ziglar, from the Ziglar podcast. My friend Kevin Miller is the host of that show, and Tom Ziglar tells a story of speaking in Australia one day, and someone from the audience asked Tom, what's the fastest way to success? And without thinking too much and too hard, he said, well, the secret to success, the fastest way to success is to replace a bad habit with a good habit. Well, we kind of marry those two statements and say, the fastest way to success is to replace a bad habit with a good habit, and the secret to a great life is to figure out how to have a great day, a great week, a great month, and a great year. And I think when you combine those two, you realize that we all have bad habits, and those habits are keeping us from having the greatest life that we could be experiencing. And if we can just identify one bad habit and replace it with a good habit, maybe that's drinking too much alcohol, or coming home and just sitting in front of TV all evening and not exercising. Maybe it's drinking soda instead of water. Maybe it's spending every dollar that hits your pocket. We all have our hurts, habits, and hang-ups and we all have habits that are keeping us from experiencing an optimal life. And so, this is 2019, it's January, and it's that time of year. We don't really necessarily need to make a bunch of resolutions, but we do need to maybe identify a habit or two that we can replace with a better habit, a good habit. And if we do that over and over and over again consistently, then I think we'll all experience a better and a better and a better life. I shared in another video, I woke up January 1st and was 9 pounds heavier than I was at the end of November before Thanksgiving. I'd gained 9 pounds just by replacing good habits with bad habits. And I probably drank too much alcohol. I ate too much sugar. I didn't exercise. And it manifests as 9 extra pounds very, very quickly. Karen and I both have goals early on in January of for me, it's reaching 135 pounds and a single-digit body fat. For Karen, she has her goal, and it's none of my business to share that with the world. So, but I've got to absolutely just replace those bad habits that I implemented in December with some good ones. And that's exactly what we're doing in January. I need to continue it in February and March and April and May. Payoff come May, June, July, come summer will be huge if I can get down to 135 and a single-digit body fat. And I'm confident that will manifest as better energy and a better self-esteem and a lot of different things. So, 2 thoughts to leave you with. The secret to a great life is to figure out how to have a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year, and just repeat that over and over again. And the fastest way of getting there is to identify a bad habit and replace it with a good habit. Thank you, Tom Ziglar, for that pearl of wisdom. Hey, have a great day, everybody.